What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So last weekend I didn't video it, but I started putting in my nitrous system. First thing I did, and which really took the longest, so I was kind of tired after that and didn't get much done as far as the nitrous is concerned. But I put in a new fuel pump. I put in a Walbro, whatever you want to call it, 255 liters per hour fuel pump. So got more than enough fuel coming out the gas tank. We're gonna leave the injector stock for right now for 19 because I'm only putting 100 shot on it. And really didn't have to upgrade the fuel pump, but why not? Because I didn't know how long that fuel pump had been in there, so I really didn't trust it. So let's just put a new one in there so I can at least get a few bottles. So I installed the fuel pump. That was pretty cool. And then I got my nitrous installed right here. So I put it right here so I can reach back and turn it on very easily. Not sure how this gonna work with tech, but who cares? Streets love it. So we got that in, and now I got a slight hole drill right there because I'm gonna run the line straight down up under by the other lines and zip tie it up on, come on up under the engine bay. My original thought was to kind of run it inside and up, but I couldn't find the hole, and I'm like, man, I'll just drill another hole. So I got that hole right there, but I need to make it bigger. So I got another bit, and I'm fixing to start doing that. So we gonna see how far I'm gonna get today with this project. Hopefully I'll get quite a bit far, if that's even a word. I don't know if you remember or not, but my seat kind of had me sitting up in the steering wheel. So I drilled new holes in the floorboard, put metal brackets to brace it, and moved it back, and now it's kind of like perfect. So I got a lot done last weekend, even though I didn't get as far as I wanted to, if you know what I mean. But let's get started with this project, running this wire, and hopefully I won't fall. Okay guys, so we got the feed line done. I'll show you that. We got it mounted through here, coming up, and it's zip tied. I still need to do a little better job at that, but it goes up along the fuel line. I think that's the fuel line, up under to the fender well. Can you see that? And then to the engine bay. I'll probably get some brackets for that right there because that's kind of hanging kind of low, or either pull it through a little more. I don't know. I'll figure that out. I didn't really zip tie it tight, so I could pull it through if I needed to. But now I have to figure out what I am going to do with all of this wire, because you can't really cut it. But anyway, and I need to make sure I got my battery unplugged, but need to make sure, like, this is a steel wire, so I need to make sure that I don't hit any of my, that it doesn't rub any of my electrical stuff. So I got a lot to think about. I may mount it over there, but then I got to make sure that the hoses for the intake reach back over here. Might mounted on the firewall, maybe. Shit, I don't know. Ooh, that might be a good spot. If that is, or no. We will figure it out in a second. Okay, so as you can probably tell, it's a new day. I got the car moved back outside. In fact, this is early Sunday morning, and I tried to get out here so I could show you what I did last night once I got back from this little event before it starts raining. So I got a lot of work done on it. I probably won't be able to do anything else today, or probably for the next few days, because it's supposed to rain and thunderstorms, and I'm not leaving those out. So, but anyway, I don't care. I'm not in a rush. In fact, it's starting to rain now, so I'm fixing to hurry and finish this video. So here's how far I got. I got the nozzle in the intake. I got my solenoids mounted down there. I got them hooked up. I haven't connected my fuel line right there. That's the only line I need to connect. And this is how I ran the nitrous line from the bottle. Goes down there, ran it up under there, ran it back. And it's really just mocked up. I still need to put some RVT, take this back off and put some RVT on it. But then I need to tighten all of these nuts up on the solenoids. I need to do all of that. I need to do the, I still need to wire it. I just got them zip tied over here. Everything just kind of zip tied up. And then I still have to install my bottle heater, my wide open throttle, which is gonna mount on that lower throttle body nut. And I still gotta mount my window switch. I still got a lot of damn work to do, bottom line. But this is how far I've gotten so much. So this is how far I've gotten so far. Solenoids are kind of tucked away. I like that, but it's kind of obvious you got nitrous outlet. So yeah, I ain't fooling nobody. Got a lot of work to do, which is cool. The electrics is gonna be kind of difficult. I'll pull it back in the garage, take my time with that. Hopefully I have this shit installed by the end of the month. I still need to get the bottle filled with nitrous. I'm just kind of ready to test it. But I have a feeling that connecting the WOT switch, wide open throttle switch, is going to be kind of difficult because you got to adjust it to make sure that it engages at wide open throttle. Otherwise, kind of defeats the purpose. Looking back on it, I probably should have went with the ZEC system, just for the simple fact that it's I probably would have been done by now, because there's not, all you got is that box. There's no solenoids, and I would have just had to wire that box up to my TPS and called it a day, and everything would have been regulated that way. So, but I didn't, and this is the more traditional route with the solenoids. And another reason why I'm glad I did it this way is because with nitrous outlet system, Nitrous Express, when it says you got 100 shots, on the ZEC system. That horsepower rating is at the crank, and it goes up to 125. So really, you only got like an 80 shot jet or whatever. So with this, I know I got 100 to the wheel, you know, not including the parasitic loss in the drivetrain. But anyway, that's gonna be all for this video. For my first time, I think I'm doing pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 5 is difficulty. For someone like me that's never done nothing like this, I would have to say a good 3.5. So I can only imagine how difficult a 5 would be. Tell you the truth, installing the fuel pump was easy. But anyway, this your boy Jay Reed. Love, of course. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll be back with part 3? Part 2, whatever, of the nitrous install. Peace.